Yeah. What's going on, guys? As you can see, yep, Craig got his Mustang going. Look at the smile on his face. He's not been able to stop smiling since we started this. So you guys, check it out. He's got his 3-piece wing on. It is primed. Still got a little bit of work to do to that. What else you got going on, Craig? Something that they ain't seen before. Oh, there it is. That new Cervini's. Or that's HO Fiber Champ. I don't know why I keep saying Cervini's. I guess because I like the Cervini's.
Because that's what everybody uses.
Look at them GT500 hood pins. That's really good. So on a scale from 1 to 10, how happy are you to have your car back?
15.
That's over the scale, sir. Man, this is awesome.
You said dirty, don't pay attention to her too much.
So he's still got a lot of prepping to do. Everything's been trimmed out for the most part. So he did end up ordering a new bumper cover for the front of the car. He did some research on that, and I guess he decided to go this route because the other one was pretty badly damaged. So, and a lot of it too was he had the car and then sold it, and then the guy that bought it from him, they tried to do a buff job on the car and kind of ruined the front bumper cover. So, but man, yeah, he's got his little plugs right now.
Yeah,
so all this is going to get welded up and
gotta weld these holes and all them holes.
So yeah, look at it now.
Alright, can we drive again yet?
Yeah, let's drive some more. Alright, we're back from our maiden voyage trip with it. And what do you think, Craig? How'd it do? Anything? He's just happy to have it running, guys. Two things is, one, he's going to have to adjust his clutch a little bit. And then the second thing, he's got to do a little idle adjustment on it. They've got it idled up right now because it's not got a whole lot of run time on it. So they're just, make sure everything breaks in. But miles per gallon.
Might as well be.
And we're talking quarter throttle, not even quarter throttle, and this thing puts you in that seat. I mean, it's just pretty tough already. So I'm sure once he gets a little braver, gets the first oil change done on it, and gets a little bit of run time on it.
But we're going drag racing.
I highly doubt it's going to grab the road very well.
Probably not. Probably not.
So, all right, guys. Appreciate everybody checking out the channel. This is just going to be a short one real quick. Just kind of maiden voyage on the car. Finally, all the hard work that he's put into it's finally paid off for him. And see you guys at Ford Takeover.
Peace.